Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting up this diamond painting. I got it, I called it Red Poppies. It's from store 326232 on AliExpress. It was $6.07 when I bought it. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters picture, and it's poured glue. These are all rhinestone drills, and there are 15 colors. So I did actually unbox this on this channel, so I will link up the unboxing. And I actually already finished the other diamond painting in that same unboxing. I gave that other diamond painting a pretty semi-harsh, what's it called, review, because saying I didn't really know if I liked the whole rhinestone effect. But after I looked at it after a couple days, I think I'm actually kind of getting on board on this whole like full rhinestone diamond painting. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, I don't know if I showed it, but here is the original image. So we'll see if this turns out. So I am gonna use this 28 container. It's pretty much a pill container. I did actually just unbox this, like, I just finished recording the unboxing of these. I will link up the unboxing of these storage containers above. So I did also already make my stickers for it. There are no DMC numbers on this. I normally actually scan this and what's it called? Put it on sticker paper so that I could label it, but since there are no DMC numbers on this, I'm not, it's really, and plus all the symbols are really simple, I just put it on here. And I did just add like the actual number here, because that's how the drills are numbered for the letters, because the others are actually 1 through 8. So just so that when I put it together, it'll be better. So let's get started on this. So I did just take my drills out of the refrigerator, the freezer. It has worked wonders for the static problem. So I do highly, if you do have static, I do highly recommend actually putting your drills in the freezer before you kit it up. And I think it's worked really well for me. And it's easier than trying to do the whole dryer sheet thing and what's it called? I don't know, putting chemicals or something, I don't know. But yeah. So number one, where are my scissors? Oh, that's on my other side. Okay. So number one, okay, looks like there's 2 bags for number 1. So I'm probably gonna need at least 2 containers. So I didn't originally like these 28 container pill containers, just because I have in the past accidentally put the wrong color into these containers after you drill it, and I put it into the wrong one, especially since a lot of DMCs are sequential and they're like the same color but slightly different shades. So it's actually really easy to accidentally put the wrong color into the container, especially if there's like 2 shades of pink right next to each other. But I have found the strategy is don't close the box. So just leave the door open at the top. Okay, so looks like there's 2 of number 2 already. I don't know if I want to have them on. Am I going to run out? I only have 15. There are 28 on this, and that means I have 13 extra boxes. So I should be fine, right? Maybe I should start from the back. Let's see, let's see. That should be 1. Those should all be 1. Those should all be 1. 8 might be 2. You know what? We'll see. I'm just going to put it into the next one just because I don't like separating them. I will only just label 1, and I don't like separating them. So let's hope I'll have enough containers. So these are both number 2. So I'm glad people are liking my kitting up videos. I used to do them all in time lapses until more than one person commented saying they wanted them in real time. Probably my number 1 commenter, Sharon, what's it called, was the loudest one that wanted them in real time, and I've actually noticed that people are actually watching my real time, what's it called, kitting up videos, so thank you very much. So I am recording this in January 2021. I don't post up my kitting up videos until I actually start that certain diamond painting, because I don't want to put up the kitting videos up too early and you never see the completion until like months later or something. So I did just reach 100 subscribers last week. By the time this gets posted up, I don't know, it might be more, or it might be less. I don't know. People do unsubscribe from channels, so let's see. But I thank everyone for the support. I didn't expect to actually still be doing this. I just kind of started the channel for fun, just to see how it goes, and in the beginning it actually is hard to continue because you don't get that many views, you don't get that many comments, you don't get that many subscribers, so it does get discouraging in the beginning, but I just decided just to keep going, because most of what I'm recording are things I'm doing anyway, so it's not like there is a time component, like editing the videos, writing up descriptions, figuring out a thumbnail do take time. Loading it onto YouTube, that actually takes a good amount of time for the video to get loaded onto YouTube. It does take time, but most of what I do in my channel is just things that I already do in the process of diamond painting. It's just now I guess I have an outlet to give my opinion on the diamond painting as opposed to just churning out diamond paintings. Does that make sense? So thank you everyone for all the support. Man, I hope I don't run out, but it's been fun. My whole decision when I started this channel was I'm just gonna keep going until it's not fun anymore, and it's still been fun even in the beginning, where it's hard in the beginning where it seems like no one's watching. But I do thank everyone for watching, subscribing, liking, giving me comments and encouragements. It is very helpful. And it's very encouraging. So again, thank you very much. Like I said, maybe I should do this diamond painting soon if I'm talking about more recent events, but we'll see. Okay, number 5 only has 1. The question is, will this fit into just 1? I don't think so. So let's see, I have 12 left. Let's see, how many? 15 minus 4 is 11. So I have 11 left. Does anything else look like it might need to? Maybe that one. Okay. I think I might just end up putting number 5 in here because I do think one of the other ones is gonna fill up more than one. So pour 5 will be my sacrificial one, where it's going to be on 2 different containers, strips. So which I don't like to do, but those other ones had a lot, so I thought they deserved their more. They deserve their own strip. Man, this one's like a weird color. I don't know if it'll even be like pretty. It's like this weird burnt brown rhinestone color. It's like, you know, like rhinestones tend to be the more bright colors, and then you see this kind of bleh color, and you're like, wow, I didn't know they made bleh colors in rhinestones. Okay, I'm being mean to the color. Sorry, color, whatever number 5 is. I apologize if I hurt your feelings. If colors have feelings. Okay, now my... See, this is why I used to do time lapses, because who knows what comes out of my mouth when I'm kidding up, when I have no topic to talk about. But yeah, 6, 7. So, and I also think I kind of want to do this kit because I do actually like using rhinestones on my regular diamond paintings to kind of just bling it up. And I guess the more kits that I do with rhinestones means the more rhinestones I have without having to actually purchase them separately, because I am also cheap sometimes, that I try not to buy more than I need to, because if you've seen my, what's it called, kitting down videos, you do see how many extra drills I have. So, is it all gonna fit? No, it's not gonna all fit. You do see how many extra drills I have, and it just seems like a shame to go buy more drills when I have so many extra. But the one bad thing about these containers is they don't hold that many. So you do tend to have to use more than one box. Oh man, I did not aim that well. But I am liking them more and more just because of the economical price and the economical size. Like, it doesn't take up that much space in storing them, and it doesn't take up that much space on my table when I'm diamond painting. So I think I'm beginning to lean towards these ones more than I used to. I used to be hardcore on my Harbor Freights, and I do still like them, but they also take up more space, and they also have the constraints on the amount of colors, just because, unless you were going to use more than one. So but yeah, I think I'm kind of starting to like these more just because of the size. And I do like to do a lot of these smaller diamond paintings, and I do tend to kit up a lot of these. I think I have like 4 smaller diamond paintings currently kitted up. This will add 5. I just like having a bunch of these kitted up for when I finish a diamond painting, and then I just want to just start another one right away. I don't want to... Man, why can't I open this? This is the first time I'm using this, so... Man, am I going to... I don't know. I didn't see this one. This one they might not all fit. Okay. I should have just kept going. Yeah, it's not gonna all fit. Okay. So what I'm going to do is one of these poor other suckers is gonna be named D. I'll just make another label for it. I do have tons of labels, so I'm not trying to be economical in my labels. So let's see. What was it? D. I do, like I said, I have tons of labels. So, like, if you just buy some storage containers, they come with labels. Some diamond paintings, like the ones from Mian, come with labels. Yeah. I think when I bought this, it came with 400 labels. I don't even think, this is not one of them. I just have, like I said, so many labels that I'm trying not to be No, this one's a different color. It was stuck on the side. I'm just gonna throw that away. I forgot to put the sticker in there. So yeah, I'm not trying. Man, I broke my nail. Oh well. How did I break my nail? Okay. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. I don't even know what I was talking about anymore. I'm surprised if you're still watching at this point. Because, yeah. This is why I was doing all the time lapses. Maybe I should go find like a website that just has like random questions and I'll just like periodically look through it and then just answer the questions as I see them. Okay, I'm almost done. Oh, rogue drill, throw that away. Because I wasn't sure which color that was. Okay, so some green in here. But yeah, I think I'm doing these rhinestone ones because I do like embellishing my normal drill ones. It also is making me, so I do a lot of squares and I also do a lot of rounds, and I'm sometimes kind of hesitant to do the squares just because I don't have anything to embellish it. Like the rounds, I have these rhinestones to embellish it. I do actually have more ABs in rounds than I do in squares from just old kits. And so you can't really bling up the squares unless I go buy something for it. But yeah, there it is. Let me throw out my trash. I do keep, what's it called? Just throw out all my plastic waste in the plastic bag recycling. So that just helps me feel a little bit better about all this plastic waste. But yeah, here it is, all kitted up and ready for me to diamond paint. All right. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment to my channel, and thank you very much. Bye. Happy diamond painting.